I'm going to be sharing with you in this video how much I made on Fiverr with 20,000 impressions and 400 clicks. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. Some days ago I uploaded a video where I discussed about how I made 11,000 impressions on a single gig on Fiverr, and I show you how I actually do that and how I achieve that certain impression and also clicks on that particular gig. So now in this video I'm still going to show you how that same Fiverr gig generate almost 9,000 within a week or on Fiverr. So I'm going to show you the exact gig and how much I have made and what I have in queue. I'm going to show you everything about that particular gig. I also give you in details on what I did on that Fiverr gig and also some kind of like mistakes I also did on that particular gig and what it's going on right now about that same gig. Welcome to my PC screen, and within this period of time I was able to understand more things about Fiverr and some other ranking stuffs. So I have performed different things which I'm gonna share with you in this video, and I would like you to also implement those stuff that I'm going to share with you in this video, and that might help you on your own Fiverr account also. And as you can see here, this particular gig is having 21,000 impressions and 403 clicks and 10 orders already, and I'm going to share with you what I have earned on this particular account and what I have made on this particular gig, and also my orders in queue. I'm going to show you everything in details. So I'm going to click on my earnings right now so you can see in details, and this is not about screenshot or something. So here you can see the net income is $96, which means this is what I'm having on my balance and pending money. So you can see here, this is the pending and this is the available balance, and also you can see here this is the expected earnings, which is $400, and this means this expected earnings means the orders I'm having in queue, which once everything is completed and the buyer mark the order approved, so definitely this is what I'm going to have on my Fiverr balance here on Fiverr. So I'm going to show you my dashboard so you see the orders in queue, then you'll be able to understand what we're talking about. So here, these are the orders I'm having in queue. As you can see here, active order is 4, and that's equivalent to $500. And then as you can see here, these are 4 orders, and this particular buyer is here to provide requirement to this particular project before we can get started. And as you can see here, I'm getting messages. This is 1 hour ago, this is 3 hours ago, and this is yesterday, this also is yesterday. So, and most of these buyers are saying that they're gonna message me back. I don't know when they will message me back, but this particular buyer will message me on Wednesday due to our discussion, because he is yet to get his video upload on the channel, and I have lots of other discussion with buyers on what they actually need my service for. But there are some particular buyers who want views on their videos, subscribers, clicks, kind of like likes and stuff like that, which I don't prefer. So my own main service is managing your YouTube channel until you get monetized. But some buyers get it so wrong because they believe maybe I'm going to like manage their YouTube channel and get their YouTube channel monetized within 30 days. So I had to explain to them what they will definitely get before they order my service, so that I won't fall my account will not fall into any cancellation, because that would definitely affect my account first. So, and there is one particular cancellation which I got from a certain buyer, but it's not that I was unable to do the job. The issue was that the buyer mistakenly ordered 2 times, so I had to tell the buyer to go to or contact the customer support, so they are going to cancel the order for him. I think the order is here. Okay, so here, that was last month, July 15th. So the payment was refunded to buyer, and we're good, and the particular project was completed already. So now this is what I actually want to tell you about this gig, this particular gig. Like I used to say, like I work on this particular gig, like because this is the rate of that cancellation, and I think within 60 days it should go back to zero. I don't know, but I think it should. So what I actually do on this particular gig is this: I have a blog which I'm running, so I used to promote this particular gig on that blog. I think that might also help the gig to generate more impression and click as well. And of course, I told you guys that this particular gig is ranking with different multiple keywords, which means people are able to find this gig on different keywords. And that was that. I also hope to, like, I should be able to make some money or get some orders with this other two gigs. But what I was actually thinking was like, maybe this particular gig generates uh, uh, clicks and impression for all these other gigs. Maybe those buyers that click on this particular gig also check on other gigs. Maybe that's why these other gigs are generating this impression and click as well. But I'm very certain that this particular gig also ranked, and it was found on first page with some certain keywords here, because they are very low competitive, because YouTube cash cow stuff. So not there are limits of people that are offering that service on Fiverr platform. So maybe that also helped me to generate these clicks and impression. But I don't know what's actually going on, why the orders are not coming in as expected, but probably maybe because of my price or something else. I don't know. So that was just that. And I understand one fact about ranking this all my gigs, or making this account look so well and yummy. I don't know, because I used to put this browser active anytime I'm working on my computer. So this particular page used to refresh every 4 minutes, because I want this account to always stay online, and I always try my possible best that anytime a buyer message me, I used to reply to it within less than 2 minutes. Like less than 2 minutes. I have the account logged in on my mobile phone as well, so I try all my possible best to reply to buyer within 2 minutes, so they will definitely know that I mean a business. So maybe they trust me with that, and also they kind of like they found some reviews, feedback from other buyers, and definitely they are going to trust me, like this person is the right for their YouTube channel, and they should just hire me to do their project. So this is just about my experience on this particular account, and it's been a while. I I
experienced this kind of impression. Like, it's been a while I experienced it. I don't even believe this account can generate up to this impression and click as well. But I also understand that the order should be more than this. But like I said earlier on, that most of these people want a fast growth, which I actually don't offer on this account. As you can see, you can see that this browser refreshed just now. So that was what I'm talking about. So you can download any extension on your browser. You can use Chrome, you can use any browser, you can use Firefox, be it any browser. So once you install it, put the minute that you want it to refresh. So then you keep your eye on it and make sure it's always active anytime you're running or working on your computer. So these are all I have done on this account, and I'm just trying to show you or keep you guys updated on what is actually going on this particular FIVERR account, and I'm showing you in details and everything you need to know about this FIVERR account and how you can implement it on your own account as well. Probably it will definitely work for you. As you can see, there is no any magic I'm doing on this particular account. There is no magic. Just do the right thing that I shared with you, and I'm very sure it's gonna work for you as well. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question regarding this video or any FIVERR issue, you can drop a comment and I'll definitely reply to your comment. So thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one.